This is lesson 3 of beginning group piano, and today we're going to talk about the musical alphabet. The musical alphabet takes the first 7 letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and those are the names of the white keys on the keyboard. So if you go to the group of 3 black keys and you go between the second and third black key, you will find the letter A. So here's our group of 3 black keys, 1, 2, 3, second key, third key, and in the middle we have A. That begins our musical alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you want, you can try this on your own. Find the group of 3 black keys, find A, which is in between 2 and 3, and play and say your alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good. Now we're going to focus on the notes C, D, and E. And they are located with the group of 2 black keys. So we find the group of 2 black keys and we find C to the left of the first black key, followed by D, followed by E. So with our right hand, we're going to take finger 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to play C, D, and E going up to the right. C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E. Now with our left hand, we're going to find the group of 2 black keys, and we're going to use fingers 4 on C, 3 on D, and 2 on E. So here we go. We're going to play down going to the left. C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E. So practice that a few times going up and down the keyboard. Next, we want to talk about intervals. If you take a look at page 13, they discuss intervals. An interval is the distance between 2 keys. From C up to E is the interval of a third. So here's our C, and here's our E. That's the interval of a third. We skip the D in the middle. You can play them broken, one at a time, or blocked together. So beginning in the middle of the keyboard, use your thumb and your third finger of the right hand, and we're going to play C and E first broken, going up to the right, and then blocked. C, E, broken, C, E, C, E, C, E. And we're going back to the center of the keyboard, and this time we're going to play it blocked together. C and E, C and E, C and E, C and E. And we're going to go back to the center of the keyboard, and this time we're going to use our left hand. We're going to use finger 2 and finger 4. We're going to have finger 4 on C and finger 2 on E. Ready? Play. C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E. Back to center. This time we'll play it blocked. C and E, C and E, C and E, C and E. So practice that a few times until you get comfortable with those intervals. The next song we're going to learn is Merrily We Roll Along. And then, as we always do, we're going to start with the rhythm first. We're going to practice clapping the rhythm. So there are 4 beats in a measure, and each measure is marked at the end with a bar line. So let's practice clapping and saying the counts. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice clapping and saying this rhythm several times before you begin actually practicing the song on the keyboard. Next, we're going to take a look at the hand placement on page 13. Our left hand, LH, you're going to be using third finger on C, second finger on D, thumb on E. We find the group of 2 black keys. Here's my C, here's my D, and here's my E. Over here on the right, our H, right hand. The group of two black keys, our thumb will be on C, second finger on D, third finger on E. So we're going to be starting with the right hand, third finger on E. And we're going to first start playing, saying the finger numbers. Ready? Begin. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Left hand, starting on E. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to practice saying the letter names. Starting with your right hand on E. E, D, C, D, E, E and C, E and C. D, D, D. E, E and C, E and C. Left hand. E, D, C, D, E, E and C, E and C. D, D, E, D, C. So when you practice this song this week, you want to practice it both ways. Saying the finger numbers and saying the letter numbers.